Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get the Manus AI invitation code through the best method. So, Manus AI is gaining attention for its advanced AI capabilities, but accessing it requires an invitation code. And if you're looking for the best way to get Manus AI invitation code, you just have to follow these methods to secure your access quickly. So first is just join the official Manus AI whitelist. So you'll have to visit the Manus AI page. So just click on activate your account and the account button right here, and now simply click on apply for access. And here, then you just have to enter your email. We're constantly updated. Then simply type, how can Manus AI help you? So after typing in how you plan to use Manus, you just have to simply click on submit request. And the more details you can provide about your needs, the better. So they can tailor their solution to your needs. So you just have to click on submit a request, and here provide your email and the basic details to get notified when new invites are available. Now, another way is following the Manus AI on the social media like Twitter, Discord, and Reddit. You can also find them on Instagram. So you just really have to follow them on all their social medias. So these are the best platforms where Manus AI shares updates. They also drop free invite codes for early users. And for the third method to do this is by joining the Manus AI Discord server. So you can engage in community, and also some members may even share their invitation code with you. So you can look for referral programs. So some early access users may receive invite codes to share with others, and you can check for AI focused forums or Reddit communities like the artificial intelligence to get these referral programs. Now, if you're a content creator, developer, or researcher, you can also reach out to Manus AI support explaining your use case, and they sometimes provide priority access to those who can contribute feedback. So getting an invitation code may take some patience, but using the waitlist, social media, Discord, and referrals increase your chances to get the referral code easily. So just stay active in the AI and you will likely secure access soon. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!